Today we're going to take a look at how to select a random sample. So here I have my coasters data set. I've added a column to the left and called it random. Here I'm going to assign each coaster a random number. So I'm going to use equals rand, and this will assign a random decimal between 0 and 1. Then I'm going to click the circle, drag it down. So now every coaster has a random number. The thing that's weird about the random function is anytime I make a change to the document, it's going to reassign those random numbers. I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to highlight column A, copy, paste special, values only. Now, if you look, all of these numbers are actually decimals, not the rand function. So when I make a change, the numbers don't change anymore. Now I'm going to go to a new tab and do a query. Equals query. What I want this to do is take the coasters, sort them by random number, and then select a certain number. So sort, I want it to, and I've had some issues here with this pop-up being in the way. Cool. I would like it to go from column A to O, sort by column A, and then it's asking if it's already in some sort of order, and so the answer is false. Then I'm going to do my query. Select, and I want it to select everything except column A because I don't really need those random numbers. Unfortunately, when you're looking at sorted data, you can't type select columns B, C, etc. You have to type select column 2, 3, and in my case, I want to go through 15. So select those columns where, or just kidding, limit 20. And the first row is headers. So now I have a sample of 20 coasters. If I want a new random sample, I need to generate new random numbers here. So I can just redo the equals rand, drag that down, and then copy paste special so that those don't change again. And I have a new sample of 20 coasters. This limit, that's the number that you change if you want to change how many coasters are in your sample.